Tea with Zayde by Barney Saltzberg. Every day at 3:30, me and Zayde, time for tea. I can pour so carefully. Zayde holds his cup for me. He tells me stories. I sing a song. Zayde laughs and sings along. When I dance, he laughs some more. I am a lion. Roar, roar, roar! I'd like some muffin, he will say. I have to tell him, too far away. We clink our cups. I say goodbye. He says, tomorrow, sweetie pie. Since every day at 3:30, me and Zayde, time for tea.